Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every Tesla owner: how to reset the screen on your Tesla. Whether you're facing a frozen screen or just need to refresh things, this guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First off, if you encounter issues like unresponsive controls or a frozen display on your Tesla's touchscreen, a reset can often resolve these issues quickly. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Access the controls. Navigate to the main screen on your Tesla's touchscreen. This is where you'll find most of your car's controls and settings. Tap on the controls icon. It's usually represented by a car or gear icon, depending on your Tesla model. Step 2. Locate the power off option. Scroll through the menu options until you find the power off option. This is where you'll initiate the screen reset. Step 3. Confirm the power off. Tap on power off and confirm your selection. This will shut down the touchscreen and other systems temporarily. Step 4. Wait and restart. Wait for about 2 minutes while the screen and systems completely power down. Afterward, press the brake pedal to restart your Tesla. This will reboot the touchscreen and hopefully resolve any issues. Step 5. Contact Tesla support if issues persist. If the problem persists after resetting the screen, it's best to contact Tesla support for further assistance. They can provide remote diagnostics and guide you through additional troubleshooting steps. Conclusion. And there you have it. Resetting the screen on your Tesla is a straightforward process that can often solve common issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Tesla tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.